continue in our series of solving problems involving equations with fractions. And today we're going to be answering these questions. All right. Solution. Question 1 says 2x plus 5 all over x minus 2 is equal to 5 over 3. What we do in this case is we cross multiply. 3 multiplies the whole of this and 5 multiplies the whole of this. And in doing that, let's start with the 5. We can start with either of them. Let's pick 5. Then x minus 2 will be in bracket. That shows 5 is multiplying the whole of that. Then we'll bring down our equality sign. Then 3 multiplies the whole of this. 3 will be out. Then we'll have 2x plus 5 in the bracket. And what we do next is to clear the bracket. 5 times x gives us 5x. 5 times negative 2 gives us negative 10 is equal to 3 times 2x, 6x. Then 3 times positive 5 gives us positive 15. And the next thing we do is to collect like terms. We'll bring down our 5x. 6x crosses to meet 5x becomes minus 6x is equal to, we'll bring down 15. Minus 10 crosses over to this side becomes positive 10. 5x minus 6x gives us minus x, and that's equal to 15 plus 10 gives us 25. Then we'll divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is minus 1. And in doing that, we say minus x over minus 1 is equal to 25 over minus 1. This goes with this, and we're left with x, which is equal to 25 divided by negative 1 gives you negative 25, and that's the value of x. Alright, so we're going to answer the next question, which says 2x plus 1 over 3 minus 2x plus 5 over 5 is equal to 2 plus x minus 1 over 6. So in answering this question, we look at our denominators, which are 3, 5, and 6. And we look for their LCM. The LCM, the lowest common multiple of 3, 5, and 6 is 30. So what we do in this case is we multiply the entire equation by 30. We multiply this by 30, this times 30, this times 30, and this times 30. So in doing that, we write our 30, and we say in bracket 2x plus 1 all over 3 minus, we have 30, open bracket, 2x plus 5 all over 5 is equal to 2 times 30 plus x minus 1 in bracket, we have 30 all over 6. 3 goes in 3 once, 3 goes in 30, how many times? 10 times. Then 5 goes in 5 once, 5 goes in 30, 6 times. 6 goes in 6 once, and 6 goes in 30, 5 times. Then we clear the bracket. 10 times 2x gives us 20x. Then 10 times positive 1 gives us positive 10. Then 6 times 2x gives us 12x. 6 times plus 5 minus 6 times plus 5 gives us minus 30. And that's equal to 2 times 30 is 60 plus 5 times x gives us 5x, and 5 times minus 1 gives us minus 5. Alright, the next thing we do is to collect like terms, and in doing that, we'll bring down our 20x plus 5x crosses to this side becomes minus 5x. We already have minus 12x, so we'll bring it down, and that's equal to 60 minus 5 minus 30 crosses to becomes plus 30, then plus 10 crosses over to this side becomes minus 10. 20x minus 5x is 15x. 15x minus 12x, that will give us 3x, and that's equal to 60 minus 5 is 55. 55 plus 30 is 85. 85 minus 10 is 75. And the next thing we do is to divide both sides of the equation by 3. So we'll say this over 3, this over 3. 3 goes with 3, and we're left with x, which is equal to 75 over 3. 3 goes in 3, 1. 3 goes in 75, 25 times. Therefore, our x is equal to 25. Alright, for the last question, we have 9 minus x over 10 plus 7 minus x over 15 is equal to 1 over 30. The first thing we do in this case is to find the LCM of 10, 15, and 30. And in doing that, we ask ourselves what number can go into the lowest number that 10 can go into, 15 can go into, and 30 can also go into, and that number is 30. So we multiply through by 30. 30 bracket 9 minus x over 10 plus 30. We have 7 minus x in bracket over 15 is equal to 30 times 1 over 30. 10 goes in itself once, 10 goes into 30 3 times, 15 goes into itself once, and 15 goes into 30 twice, and 30 divide 30 once. And the next thing to do is to clear the brackets. We use this 3 in clearing the bracket. 3 times 9 is 27. 3 times negative x will give you negative 3x plus 2 times 7 is 14. 2 times minus x will give you minus 2x, and that's equal to 1. 1 times 1 gives 1. Then we'll collect like terms. We want to make those with x on this side. Minus 3x minus 2x is equal to, we'll have 1 on this side, plus 14 crossover becomes minus 14, and plus 27 crosses over to become minus 27. Minus 3x minus 2x makes minus 5x, and that is equal to 1 minus 14 gives us minus 13, and minus 13 minus 27 makes minus 40. And the next thing to do is to divide both sides of the equation by the coefficient of x, which is minus 5. Minus 5x over minus 5, and that's equal to minus 40 over minus 5. This cancels this, and we're left with x, which is equal to 5 in itself 1, 5 in 40 is 8 times, and our x is 8. Alright, click on the link in this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your notification bell for more videos. Thank you.